Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. Today we're unboxing another Easter model, and in today's Easter model unboxing we have this United Boeing 737 MAX 8. Yep, another MAX is coming to the airport. This is the second MAX in the airport. There is a Southwest 737 MAX 8 right there in the background. That one is another that one is the first MAX in this airport, and this one is going to be the second MAX in this airport. But I guess without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video. Today it is the, of course, United 737 MAX 8. You have your United logo, your Gemini Jets logo, your Boeing 737 MAX 8 trademarked logo, and a picture of the plane. Here are the sides of the box. This box is, for some reason, a little bit lighter in color. If you know why that is, please, let me know. There is the back of the box, standard Gemini Jets box. Nothing out of the ordinary or really special on this one. There is the flap. Don't really care about that. There's the model, and let's crack this baby open. As you can see in the background, those are the two other unboxing videos. There are going to be two cards popping up right now if you'd like to go watch those, but don't go watch those until you've watched this video, because this one's a banger of a video. And there it is. Let's zoom in on this one. This one is a bit bigger, so it's gonna be a little bit easier to see with the camera. And there it is. It's your standard Gemini Jets MAX mold. But yeah, it's your standard MAX mold. You can see those giant LEAP engines. Your winglets or sharklets on this one. No, this one has split scimitarras. Sorry about that. Split scimitarras, the beautiful new United logo, and of course those massive LEAP engines. This is going to be a great addition to the airport. Great addition to the United fleet. The United fleet is my second fastest growing fleet, I believe. Here at the airport, Southwest is definitely the fastest, as it's gone from 0 to 6 planes in a year. But yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. Comment down below what model you should I should get after these Easter models, and what would you guys like to see at the airport in the airport updates. Comment that down below, and until next time, I will see you in another video. Peace out.